Y'all, guess what? Oliver, can you say it?
Yes, we found the error screen,
Fake error
original,
screen.
yeah, original, sound, where it came from, and yeah.
The origin. The origin.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, the program is Wave Station. It made an appearance in Batsum song. Right here, program called Wave Station VST.
Wait,
Uh,
no, wait, I think I think,
what?
I think you did it wrong.
What wrong?
It's the error screen, not Batsum. Oh, you meant like, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, but the fake error screen, the one that Baldi cries in, yeah, this. Wait, there's also the other one that's also used. It's this one. This one is also used. Um, hopefully this gets on every wiki. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations for us. We refound it. I know someone already made this discovery, but I'm not sure who, and it's just lost. So yeah. Oliver, any last words till we finish this random ass video?
Yes.